This is our tier 1. Hopefully it's as nasty as the last case. We had a monster case for the first one I did. These are teams. This is a licensed product, so it'll go to the team they're on. Multiplayer cards, you got to own 50% or more, same as always. 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. Redemptions will make sure they go where they're supposed to go. Good luck, everybody. Box number 1. Alright, I think the relic's in the middle, actually. Yep, the relic's in the middle. Chris Paddock for the Padres. El Padre. Nice patch, and it's 8 of 10 for the Padres. Mel B. Mel R. Rookie autograph, Domingo Leyba for the D-backs. Reed Roofer. And for the Yankees, Bernie Williams, 70 of 80. He has such a nice autograph. Master E. Box number 2. What's up, MSU? What's up, Oddball Sports Cards? Alright, the relic's in the middle. For the Texas Rangers, Nolan Ryan. A Master E. To 199. For the Twinkies, Williams Ostadillo. For the Twinkies. Wheel God, already on the board. With a gold ink autograph or rose ink. I don't know what that is. Wheel God on the board. Going this way. The Big Hurt. 13 of 50 for Frank Thomas for Danny P. Box number 3. It's a little thicker. It might be a 4-hit box. For the Detroit Tigres, Mikel Cabrera. For the Tigres. Leo. For the Philadelphia Phillies, Rhys Hoskins. I think that's also Master E for the Phillies. For the San Francisco Treat, Mauricio Dubon, rookie autograph to 299 for Wheel God. Oh my goodness, just hitting right and left, right? I think he has the Giants. Wheel God's hitting like crazy. This is a nice one. Oh, no, it's not who I thought it was. Wilson, I thought it was Omar Vizquel. It sort of looked like it. For the Chicago Cubs, Wilson Contreras. I think that's Stixie. This was skinny. This might be a redemption. It is a redemption. For the Boston Red Sox, J.D. Martinez relic. Posey. For the Los Angeles Dodgers to 299, Max Muncy. Maria. Yeah, Zion. Wrong product. Prime Performers Autograph. Bronze Ink Parallel. For the Colorado Rockies, Nolan Arenado. For the Rockies, Danny P. Yeah, he's a Zion's a redemption in Court Kings, I think. Feeling a bat barrel or a bat knob. I don't know. I just got that feeling. I haven't pulled a bat knob. Well, I pulled one in NT Baseball. George Springer. Bat knob. For the Cleveland Indians, Shane Bieber. To $3.95. Cody M. For the San Diego Super Padres, Andres Munzon. Going this way. For the Seattle Mariners, Mitch Hanger. This just feels like a box that's going to have a bat barrel or something crazy. Or feels like a case. Didn't start out as hot as our first case did, that's for sure. Nice. Yeah, Sosa autographs, since he hasn't signed in so long, I mean, they're selling for $180 to $280. I was surprised. I just knew that he hadn't signed in a while, so I was curious what they were selling for. For the St. Louis Cardinals, Paul Goldschmidt, Wheel God. Straight crush mode in this break. That's like your fourth hit already. Well, you know what they say about old Williams. Well, if one's good, two has to be better. Good job, Tops. Wheel got another hit. He's got two of them. Oh, this is going to be a relic autograph, I think. For the Detroit Tigres to 99, Jake Rogers relic autograph. I don't know if we got one. Yeah, we did get one. We got a patch in the first case. For the Detroit Tigres. Leo. Half. Ooh, that one might be a good one. Feels heavier than the others. I don't know. No, it's just the way I picked it up, I guess. It's a 4-hit box. That might be why. 4-hit box. For the Blue Jays, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. to $3.95. Andrew Benintendi for the Red Sox, $3.95. For the Indians, Carlos Carrasco, $2.99. And we got J.D. Martinez, 23 of 25 for the Boston Red Sox. 5 boxes left. Oh! Oh! It says congratulations. I wonder what that means. We're going to see. I think that might be something good. For the White Sox, Dylan Cease. For the White Sox. For the Cincinnati Reds, Artestis Aquino, 5 of 10. I think that's the Bidro. As the Reds. Alright, let's flip this over. Take that off the back. That's just a dummy card. What do we have here? Oh, looks like a bat barrel. For the Washington Nationals, Victor Robles, 1 of 1. For the Nationals, Leo. That limited lumber relic card, bat barrel. Who had the Nationals? Leo. For the Dodgers, Matt Beatty. Matt Beatty. I guess it's Speedy. It's beat with a Y. Got a bronze ink Shane Bieber. I guess that's Justin's buddy. 4 of 25. And I don't know what this one is. Another Dylan Cease. That one's 21 of 25. Bronze parallel for the White Sox. Danny P. 3 boxes to go. We did hit a bat barrel. I told you we were going to. I had a feeling. I'm psychic like that. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, Kevin Newman. Master E. Jordan Yamamoto. Rookie autograph to $2.99 for the Miami Marlins. Where are my 180s? I need to put that in a 180, don't I? There we go. Have that out, ready to go. Last hit of this box. Going this way. 4 of 10 for the Metropolitans. Pete Alonso, silver ink. 4 of 10 silver ink for the Metropolitans. A BMW drop top. Get these last 2 out. Whatever, Chris. I've only hit 2 in recent memory. How you doing tonight, Amos Sue? Oh my goodness, you were right, Kevin. That's the whole reason Kevin came in tonight. Jose Altuve to 295 for the Astros. No, Leo didn't hit the last one. You're just being mean, Chris, for no reason. I don't even know why. Brandon Woodruff to 299 for the Brew Crew. Wheel God. It's like you get up in the morning and say, I can't wait to go on and be mean and nasty to people. For the Tampa Bay Rays, Brandon McKay. Last box, not near the case that the first one was, but we did get a bat barrel in this one, so that's cool. Dun 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 dun. One Jose Altuve is good, two has to be better. Put the whole jersey back together here pretty soon with Jose Altuve's. For the Kansas City Royals, Reed Roofer, Whit Merrifield. And the last autograph of the break, going this way, Corey Kluber for the Indians to 100, 10 of 100. Find it back. That's it for the base. Tier 1 style. I know, you love giving me a hard time. I know. Let me stop the video. I'll get caught up on the... you got one autograph with the Cubbies.